Good morning, everyone. Our first stop of the day, coffee, of course. We are at Greenwell Farms Coffee Plantation, one in Kona. I'm quite excited about this tour because I love coffee and the fact they offer free tours. That starts at 9 a.m., then 10, then every half hour after that. And I think their last tour is at 3 o'clock. But don't quote me on that, so be sure to visit their website, Greenwell Farms, for their tour information. So this is my second cup. I am trying the chocolate McNut. They offer free samples, and boy oh boy, so good. Greenwell Farms has a retail facility where you can buy ground or whole bean coffee produced on the farm, as well as taste each coffee flavor for free. They conduct a tour similar to the Napa Valley winery tours, where you learn about production and processes. They roast, pulp coffee cherries, and dry coffee on site. 50% of the coffee come off of the trees from June through March, considered coffee harvesting season. And they ship their coffee around the world, mostly green beans, to wholesale buyers. Alright, so breaking news. We were supposed to be going to Waikoloa Village just for some sightseeing and shopping, but there has been some fires happening around Waikoloa, and just now it looks like
emergency alert. I shall read it.
They are evacuating the Waikoloa Village to an elementary school. Because it looks like the fires is spreading, or it's going that ways. So we definitely will not be able to visit, but we had planned on going to the beach after visiting the village, but hopefully there wouldn't be such hardship that it wouldn't be so hard to get to the beach. We don't really know what's affected right now, so
if you take a look outside, there's the fog, lots of smoke.
Well, there's the vlog outside.
No, fog. Volcanic fog.
No, those are just smoke from the fire. It's not volcanic fog because there's no volcanoes erupting right now.
Correction. I'm just alarmed and in shock. But I'm glad I'm with my friends. We're safe and sound together.
So
going towards the fire right now.
We're going towards the fire.
Hopefully we can pass the fire.
We were gonna make a U-turn, but
no, we're already here. So we'll see what we can see.
Reporting live from Waikoloa, where the action is at. Fires.
Oh my gosh, it is. The sky is pretty brown. It feels like the California wildfires
of last year
is following us.
For all the people living over there, I mean, we have no idea what started the fire. We heard about it 2 days ago, I believe, but apparently it's spreading. It's windy. It's windy here on the island.
Yes, correct.
So it's spreading fast, furious.
So traffic that you see coming and approaching are the villagers leaving.
Oh, no, these are not the villagers leaving. Oh my gosh.
Okay, take that. Okay, sorry. If you can see, you see all that traffic on the left. Those are people immediately trying to evacuate Waikoloa area because we received an emergency alert, and we in this car are entering. We're entering the vicinity.
Switching over to my phone for this part of the vlog. As I was saying, we were already minutes out to the Waikoloa village, and we were trying to go to the beach instead of the village, but this is priorities for the girls. So we might skip the beach just because traffic going over there or coming back from over there is pretty tight. We are back in the Kona side and we are having lunch here. So plan B is to just go around the downtown area, which is Ali'i Road, and just go window shopping and shopping. This is our last day Big Island Hawaiian sunset. I'm not sure if you guys can see that, but it's very, very calming. We've had a great time, interesting and adventurous in ways we didn't know would work out. But it was a great birthday trip and just a nice getaway from the last 18 months of quarantining and sheltering in place. As our last night here in the Big Island, arranging our luggage, I realized I don't have any headphones that I can use or borrow for the plane. So I got myself some AirPods, which I felt like I had no choice. I do have some wireless headphones, but I didn't bring it. And I have tried to avoid buying AirPods because I feel like I can lose them pretty easily, but I didn't know what else to do. I need to tune out everything that's happening in the plane. So I bought myself some AirPods, and surprisingly they were on sale at Walmart while our friends were there.
Melanie's idea.
That was not your idea.
I said Walmart. Ask them to see. Remember you were trying to.
Oh, that's right. Credit, idea credit to Melanie. Because I realized I didn't have any headphones, and so our friends were already in Walmart, and so yes, she said, oh, maybe they have it. I'm like, oh, would they have it there? I was actually skeptical, but it ended up, thankfully, that it was there and it was on sale. So plus the tax is pretty low here, so that's a plus as well. So Melanie too jumped in on the bandwagon and decided to buy one for herself.
Called Gaia Gaia.
Gaia Gaia. So after our Domino's pizza, we have now opened our takeout desserts from this morning.
I am crying from it.
So good. Lilikoi cheesecake from the coffee shack from our breakfast place this morning. This is legit. This is legit good. Lilikoi cheesecake.
It's not so sweet. Perfect balance.
Yeah. It's that tartness and sweetness. Perfect. Heading to McDonald's for breakfast on our last day here in the Big Island. Trying to get some Portuguese sausage and Spam. I just got my coffee $7 for a grande? Is that right? Back in the hotel and having our breakfast. That's spam, rice, Portuguese sausage, and eggs. Our flight is delayed for about 30 minutes and we can't reschedule our shuttle service. So I have to eat this fast.
Oh, lots of people.
Yes, starting their vacation.
Yeah.
It's a beautiful day here in San Francisco, and so Bailey and I are out and about enjoying it. It's been a few weeks since we arrived from the Big Island. The flight was smooth, the crew was a bit more attentive about the masking protocol, and the passengers were behaved a little better compared to the initial flight. Something that definitely concerned me throughout the whole trip is the pandemic. In outdoor settings, people tend not to wear masks. Even staff conducting outdoor activities or tours. However, it is a CDC guideline that you do not need to wear a mask in outdoor settings. Considering the area you are in doesn't have high cases of COVID. In all honesty, I didn't even check the data amongst the local population, for which I will always look back and probably be distressed over. But for the most part, all indoor settings and locations required a mask, and restaurant staff also wore masks. Overall, I had a lot of fun on this trip. Most importantly, we all got along. No big surprises on quirks and temperament. It was just long enough to visit areas of interest and short enough not to get on each other's nerves. Except on the last day, where my roommate took an extra hour to get ready past our pickup time. I was very embarrassed and utterly annoyed, but thankfully the transport company was very forgiving. I mention this because I don't want to forget the harsh reality that exists in years of friendship. Lastly, on this trip, I spontaneously thought of an idea, something completely uncharacteristic of me. Recruiting my travel buddies to participate in the BTS Dance Challenge. I am extremely grateful that all of them were up to the challenge and was very patient and energetic throughout the whole process. Hopefully our efforts stand out from the thousands of entries that's already out there. There is another big trip planned this year, also within the United States. However, we are still in the process of planning and reassessing the safety factors surrounding a trip. I definitely want to keep on traveling, but nowhere international anytime soon. So for all travelers, both vaccinated and unvaccinated, please be the best responsible traveler you can be, so we can continue enjoying this luxury. So from my mind side to yours, definitely more to come. Thanks for watching.